Queens, it's your girl Nene, aka Queendom Mindset, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am giving you guys two new synthetic lace front wigs that are in the $30 range, super affordable and super cute. So if you guys are interested in that, how I style it, and all the details, make sure that you keep on watching. And if you're not subscribed, I hope you will consider subscribing because we have a lot of fun and save money like this every single week. So you guys, I have the first unit on and I'm so excited to go ahead and jump into it because do you see this color? Do you see this color, girl? It has been a minute since we dropped up in some color, okay? Stuck our foot in the pond of color. So let's go ahead and jump right into this first wig. The links to both of these units will be in the description so you guys can pick them up. Remember, when you guys do shop my links, you do support my channel. I do get a small commission, so thank you, queens, so much. That helps me bring you more reviews on this channel so we can continue to save them coins, okay? Guys, like I said, the first unit is a synthetic lace front wig. This one was about $29, and I love this wig because of the texture and because of the color. So let's go ahead and talk about it. So first of all, the texture is a yaki texture, y'all. I love me some yaki, some kinky, straight, body wave hair because it always just compliments me so well and it seems to be easier to style. So this one comes in a middle part, and y'all know I'm usually not a middle part type of girl, okay? Me and middle parts like to fight. But this one definitely turned out looking so cute, and this is actually by the company Janet Collection. So it's been a minute since I tried a Janet Collection wig because I just for some reason don't do them as often as the other wigs. But this one is from their Natural Me Lite collection, and I absolutely love the way that it looks. Now, while it does have a lot of pros, there are some cons, so make sure you keep watching before you click that link. So the color of this wig is DR1B/Fire Brown, okay? And I was not expecting it to be this fire, but girl, it's literally like kind of sort of like orange tips in a way. That's the vibe that it's giving me. Like I said, this is a lace front wig and it does come with a deep part lace area down the middle. Now I did end up having to pluck like right around here, you guys, because it was looking real foresty. Okay, looking like a little forest, and I needed a nice smooth path of scalp to make it look realistic. So I did end up plucking right there just a little bit, and I laid just a tiny bit of baby hairs with the wig's hair. With this wig, like I said, there is some cons, so let's go ahead and talk about that because I want you guys to know the real before you decide to purchase it. Now keep in mind, since she is only $29. Okay, we can only ask for so much for $29. Now, the cons, you guys, it does come pretty lumpy in the top. I definitely had to take my curling wand and put some heat on the top because, baby, she was looking like Humpty Dumpty. Okay? Like, she was looking real humpy and she was not looking natural. So I did use my curling wand, press some heat right around the part and in the back of the wig. She turned out looking a lot better afterwards. And I have had some slight shedding, but no tangling, nothing serious on the shedding either. So really the cons for the price, I feel like it weighs itself out. Now, this wig is supposed to be a blowout texture. So to me, it's giving like kinky straight vibes. But when your mama bumped the ends, do y'all know what I'm talking about? Because that's how I feel like this wig is giving me. I'm really loving this unit and I really don't have that many complaints. So that means that it's time to get into the next wig. Now the next wig, girl, is a winner chicken dinner. Okay, y'all, I saw the wig on my sis Wigs and Wonderlust, and I had that wig sitting in my little closet and I had not touched it. Girl, I was like, me and my homegirls finna chop it up this wig, period, because this wig is super affordable and it's super cute, okay? A classic style. So without further ado, let's get into the next wig. The salon, like, yes. This is a right side part, y'all. I definitely feel like it's a little humpy up here. I really do want to put some heat on it, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut on my wand curler, and I'm just gonna bump that just a little bit. Take my hair wax stick that I got from Amazon and rub down some flyaways, because it has just a little bit, and I like to do that like before I put the heat on my synthetic wigs. I'm getting a little bit of shedding just like as I'm running my fingers through it. Wand curler, and I'm just gonna put some heat right around the parting area because it's like a little puffy there in my opinion, and I just want it to look a little bit flatter. I'm not gonna do too much on this side because I'm not trying to mess up that bang, okay? That bang is giving me volume. I'm gonna take my concealer and I'm just going to add some to the part. I don't use a special concealer. This is from the beauty supply store. I just got the one that's closest to my shade. And I'm just gonna add it to my part. This wig did not disappoint. Like, I really like this wig, y'all, and it's so affordable. I have a lot to tell you. There is a con, so hold tight. But if you don't care, sis, go ahead and click that link. This wig is just exactly what we needed to bring in 2021. Like, such a classic look. It's like an asymmetrical bob. It's getting longer in the front. I do feel like it's kind of too long in the front for me right up here. Like, I wish it was a little bit shorter. I might have to just cut it, but it's so beautiful. Like, I can't even complain. It comes with a deep 4.5 lace part. It's on the right side. I love this bang action that it's giving me. It's reminding me a lot of Features Equal Chastity and Honey Bubble Meadow. All those classic bobs that we used to get back in the day. We're finally coming around getting them now, okay, present day. So you guys, I have this in the color 1B. This is by the company Bobbi Boss, and this style, I just love the way that it looks. It's like a wavy bob, which is just a classic style that everybody loves, okay? You can definitely wear this to the office, and that's why I got it in a natural color, because girl, I'm finna be wearing mine, okay? With this wig, I did get some shedding. I want to let you guys know that. That was one con that I really wanted you guys to know, is that I did get some shedding. I did not get any tangling. The shedding does seem to taper off a little bit now that I've been wearing it for a little while. But yeah, she is going to shed just a little bit. She's a synthetic wig and she's super affordable. So we already knew that that was going to happen. But you guys, this wig is so classy. I love the way it looks. It blended very well, okay? It's giving me a little bit of scalp, okay? I did plug just a tiny bit, which you guys saw, add my concealer, and that made all the difference. Like I said, y'all, she was humpy in the top as well. I had to put some heat on her, and she's still just a little bit humpy, but I do have my natural hair blown out under this, so it's not in like flat cornrows. So if you see a little hump, girl, don't judge, okay? That's what's going on. But yes, y'all, I think that this style is so beautiful, and I feel like this will look so beautiful on y'all. I know this is y'all style. This is because we have the same style, sis. Okay, so if y'all pick this up, let me know what you think about it. But I'll have the links to everything in the description, you guys. And this is the style Bobbi Boss Henna, MLF487 Henna. So this is what the stock card looks like, y'all. Baby. Now I'm thinking this is what she looks like brushed out. Y'all know I'm not brushing her out till I have to, okay? I'm trying to preserve, okay? So that's what I think she's gonna look like brushed out. But this is Henna, y'all. Thank you guys so much for chopping it up with your girl in this video. I think it looks so good, and I'm so excited to see you guys slay this, okay? And I'm so excited to get this video to y'all. Thank y'all for all your love and support. Thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing before you leave. Girl, if you watched this long, honey, I know you done had at least one good chuckle in this video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And queens, thank you guys for watching. Please like and share. And I'm going to tag some more Bobbi Boss wigs here in my playlist, so you guys can check them out if you want some more affordable styles by Bobbi Boss, okay? I love you queens so much. Don't forget to answer the question of the day in the comments, and I will talk to you in the comments right after this video. Talk to you guys later. Bye.